नमस्ते, खुशामदीद। सेकेंड होम इंडिया की इस एपिसोड पे आप सबका स्वागत है। इंडियन कल्चरल सोसाइटी बरसों से कुवैत के आसमानों में बॉलीवुड के सितारों को चमका रहा है और सेकेंड होम इंडिया वही सितारों को आपके घर तक लेते आ रहा है। आज इस मंच पर 5 कलाकार आने वाले हैं जो अपनी अलग अलग फ़न पेश करेंगे, जैसे कि एक्टिंग, कुछ सिंगर्स भी हैं और हमारे साथ हैं एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन भी। इन सब को परफॉर्मेंस देखने से पहले होंगी कुछ दिल से दिल की बातें। ये सब आपके लिए।
पहली बार किसी माई के लाल ने अपना मुंह लाल करके हमें धमकी देने की नाकामयाब कोशिश की है।
अनोखी आवाज के मालिक, अपनी अदाकारी से करोड़ों का दिल जीतने वाले शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा।
कानून सीखने की तुम्हें आम आदमी से ज्यादा जरूरत है सतीश, इसलिए कि तुम कानून के रखवाले के बेटे हो।
शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा के पिता चाहते थे कि शत्रु बड़े होकर एक डॉक्टर बने, लेकिन शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा ने पुणे फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन कर लिया। ये तो सभी जानते हैं कि शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा के चेहरे पर चाकू के कांटे का निशान है और इस निशान को देखकर बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा था कि शत्रु, ये कटी फटी शक्ल लेकर, ये बड़ी बड़ी मूछें लेकर तुम फिल्मों में हीरो नहीं बन सकते। देव साहब के ही फिल्म प्रेम पुजारी में शत्रु जी ने एक छोटा सा रोल निभाया था। यूं तो शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा की शुरुआत एक विलेन के तौर पे हुई थी और फिल्म मेरे अपने में उनके अभिनय को बहुत सराहा भी गया था, लेकिन धीरे धीरे शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा के पास आने लगे बहुत से पॉजिटिव रोल्स। मनमोहन देसाई की फिल्म आग गले लग जा में उनकी डॉक्टर की भूमिका को खूब पसंद किया गया और फिर सुभाष घई की फिल्म काली चरण ने बॉक्स ऑफिस पर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए।
क्यों बे पट्टे के उल्लू, मेरा मतलब उल्लू के पट्टे चोरी करने आया था, वो भी इंस्पेक्टर सूरज प्रसाद के घर में।
शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा की डायलॉग डिलीवरी अपने आप में एक अनोखा स्टाइल बन गई। जब भी फिल्मी पर्दे पर शत्रु कहते खामोश तो पब्लिक तालियां बजाती। शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा ने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक अपना मकाम बना लिया था। उनका काम काली चरण, विश्वनाथ, दोस्ताना इतना सराहा गया कि उन्हें फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का नंबर 1 हीरो माना जाने लगा। हालांकि शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा को फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स में कई बार नॉमिनेट किया गया, लेकिन कभी भी उन्हें अवार्ड से नवाजा नहीं गया और सन 2003 में स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड फॉर लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट से शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा को नवाजा गया। साथ ही जी सिने अवार्ड फॉर लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट भी दिया गया। शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा उन एक्टर्स में से हैं जिन्होंने सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स ही नहीं ज्वाइन की, बल्कि कैबिनेट मिनिस्ट्री भी इन्हें मिली।
अभी तक वो चाकू तैयार नहीं हुआ है जो राजू को लग जाए। गोले लेकर पहले चिड़िया मारना सीखो, चिड़िया।
I'm very excited to bring to you the man who wears many hats very gracefully, the man who speaks with no fear or favor. I will tell you one word and you will know who I'm referring to. Khamosh. So I'll be Khamosh and let the man speak for himself. Shatrughan Sinha. Welcome to our show, sir.
Thank you very
Second
much,
home, India.
Amina. Thank you very much. Very nice of you. And with an attitude of gratitude, to begin with, I would like to pay my profound regards and, of course, salute to His Excellency, the Amir of Kuwait, the government of state of Kuwait, and of course the people of Kuwait, and all our community cutting across the borders, those who have come and welcomed me over here. I would like to pay my tribute to them and my salute to them. Thank you.
This one word, Khamosh, you've taken it and made it into a sensation. And for my English speaking audience, Khamosh means be silent. And ironically, this word has created so much commotion. On stage, there were people who were wooing for you to say that one word. You witnessed that. How is it for you? How do you feel when Indians all over the world imitate you like that?
Imitation is the best part of flattery. Even God, I believe, I'm told that God also loves flattery.
Yes.
So people, when they talk about me or when they copy me or imitate me or taken this word, expression khamosh on such a large scale, you would be very happy or rather surprised to know that I even don't know how it started. I used to tell it to my daughter, Sonakshi Sinha, while she was very young. And I used to tell her when she would cry, I would say khamosh. But ultimately it backfired on me and she would say, you khamosh. The relationship between father and the daughter. So in some of the films also I've used this word. There's one great film, and recently I saw a stage play in Mumbai, Mughal-e-Azam. Mughal-e-Azam, starring Prithviraj Kapoor and Dilip Kumar and Madhubala, Ajit, all the great people. And this film had also this word khamosh. I've seen Mughal-e-Azam film 36 times. And now this play, including, is the 37th time. I might have picked up in that film, on this play also, they've used this word khamosh. So I might have picked up and then I put it in my own style. It is the style which matters. If you see, khamosh has become worldwide, or especially all over Asia or wherever I go, India, Pakistan, anywhere. Even the children come and ask me, uncle, please, for God's sake, just say khamosh. And khamosh is, but if you understand the meaning, which you do, khamosh means keep quiet now. Sometimes it also means quiet, of shut up, khamosh.
Yes.
But through my voice or through my expression, it has taken a different connotation, it has taken a different meaning altogether. Now the boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, father, daughter, they also tell each other, khamosh, khamosh, enough, khamosh, khamosh. This khamosh has been accepted. It has become an acceptable and respectable.
Yes.
All over the world, especially the younger generation, children,
Yes.
and also our ladies, no?
Yes.
So
I agree.
I give the entire credit for popularizing this expression khamosh to my people, to our children, to all of you.
You know, when some of my friends found out that I was going to be taking this interview, they specifically asked me to give you this message. They told me, please let him know that they will forever remember you for the role you played in the movie Khoon Bhari Maang, that you made Rekha look so beautiful in your photographs as the role was a photographer. JD, I believe your role name was. But that brings me to my point where any role you've played, whether it be big or small, a hero or a villain, doesn't matter. You've always left a mark, you know. That's what we admire about your unique style.
You are being very kind. So nice of you. Thank you very much.
What do you enjoy playing more, the hero or the villain?
It depends upon the, see, when you talk about my being a villain, where I started or which I did many films as a villain, something miracle, or a sort of miracle happened. Never one could believe that a villain would get applause on his entry. Never ever happened.
Yes.
Neither before me nor after me. I was so lucky, fortunate, or blessed for that matter,
Right.
that a villain getting applause on his entry, on his dialogue delivery, a villain getting applause when he is hitting the hero. hero is getting the
Yes.
the sort of
Like, he's
he's
not getting the
being
support,
condemned
yeah.
by the audience if he is hitting me, the villain, on the
Yes.
screen, of course.
Yes, you have all our sympathies. Always.
But having said this, this was something unexpected, never happened before. Even the foreign countries, overseas newspapers also started writing.
Right.
The first time some bad boys appeared
Right.
on Indian cinema who gets an applause right on his entry. But let me tell you, before I proceed or complete this topic, that the villain was so much loved on the screen, and that is the reason first time, perhaps the very first time it happened, the villain was accepted as a leading man. I played villain in many films, then people loved me, they blessed me, and the first time it is very difficult to break the image, and they accepted me as a leading man. And fortunately, so many of my films, even Solo Star,
Right.
was turned out into blockbusters like
Absolutely.
Kali Charan, Vishwanath. There's so many films in there, Aadmi Sadaka, Sangram, so many films.
Right.
And then, of course, you know, Gautam Govinda, Kala Pathar, Samjhauta, Dost,
Ji.
Khoon Bhari Maang, so many films. It never happened before. So, now coming back to the point raised by you, I have taken every role not as a challenge. I have taken the role or any role and every role of, for that matter, cinema, with passion, with commitment. I've treated villain not as a villain, but I've treated villain as a character. हाँ, he could be corrected. अभी ठीक नहीं हुआ तो बाद में ठीक हो जाएगा. ये करके a human side of character I tried to portray, and that is why I was not only accepted, but I was very fortunate. If my female fans also grew while I was playing villain.
Right.
There was a very famous college in Mumbai. Many people who Sapphire College, the girls' college. There I was called as a chief guest, and I got so mujhko and chief guest villain. And also there was a famous magazine, Eve's Weekly. I used to write every week Eve's Weekly and try to sort out the problems, answer them through my answers. So this has never happened before, and perhaps never happened afterwards also. So I'm very grateful to the Almighty, the God, the Allah Ta'ala, the Vaheguru, the Prabhu Kaisi Manukampa, whatever you say. I'm so grateful, so touched, feel so blessed, but never feel great.
क्या रहे हो? पहला बार तुम्हारी तरफ से होना चाहिए. चलो.
पानी के बिना मछलियां कैसे तड़प रही हैं?
क्या? ठीक उसी तरह से जिस तरह से देश के लाखों करोड़ों बच्चे अनाज के बिना भूख से तड़प रहे हैं, और ये नीच बात करना
पहले देखा नहीं, तुम इससे पहले थे जाने कहाँ, जीने लगा हूँ पहले से ज्यादा तुम पे मरने लगा।
would like to pay my tribute and of course salute to His Excellency the King and the Government of State of Kuwait, people from Kuwait and all over the world, and also people from our community, plus the one who brings the community together, the one who is great in his own sense, the one and the only one, Ashfaq Khan, who has been heading this constructive and creative society, Indian Cultural Center. All of you, especially Mr. Shagusta Khan, and also Happy Ji.
Going back to Khoon Bhari Mang, there was this Rekha in that movie, the character. She gets this plastic surgery done to remove her scar. I was wondering if you ever thought of that before you were going to start your career into acting. Did the scar on your face ever bother you, or okay, no, I should get it off or something?
This particular topic, yes. No, I firmly believe in presenting myself as I am. I told the people, accept me as I am, good, bad or ugly. You see?
Perfect, yes.
This is me. This is my personality.
Love that.
And there is a story behind it. I was once worried about it, long back. But I was very fortunate to have got the blessings of late and great Mr. Devanand. I went and asked him, what do I do? Do I get it removed through plastic surgery? He said, no. It will become your style. You will become one day, if you get popular and you become a star, it will be followed. Many people will follow it and you will be loved by your scar. I have got to just see between teeth. I have got some gap, and ultimately it becomes a Devanand style. So don't do it. And
Right.
after that I declare, okay, I
Okay.
shall not do it and accept me as I am, good, bad or ugly.
Wow.
It is the personality in totality
Yes.
matters.
I agree.
Amina, you are a very slim and trim girl. You are a very nice girl. It's a God's good girl. But even if suppose you had put on weight, so what? It is the personality in totality.
I agree. I
You see?
absolutely agree.
So it is the personality in totality. You judge on that, and you should be judged by your
Yes.
personality in totality.
Yes, and your talent. And that's a great message for our viewers out there, especially the young generation who gets influenced with all this glamour and, do weird things to their bodies. It's God-given and it's going to take you where you need to go. Just do not worry about it. So thank you for that great message.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. And since you're talking about the message, one thing I have noticed over here, and as a person who is a great supporter of our people, I've got great admiration for our people
Yes.
over here. I would like to pass on another message also,
Please.
which I have been preaching and practicing all over the world, wherever. I'm in the forefront of campaigning anti-tobacco movement.
Wow.
And today I've seen many people, all Arab people are very tough people, good people, great people. But some of them I have seen smoking tobacco, or they talk about shisha also, whatever it is. I'm not saying that doesn't make them bad. That only makes me sad that they could also live longer.
Yes.
They live very long.
Healthier.
Yeah, because absolutely say no to drugs
Yes.
and shun tobacco. Tobacco is the biggest killer. I appeal to the people, especially the younger generation, all my friends, family members. Today you will not find a single family, not a single family, if one of them is not a tobacco addict, if not drugs.
One member.
Somebody's cousin, somebody's mama, somebody's chacha,
जी.
somebody's grandfather.
जी.
They are
कहीं
either
ना कहीं है, कुछ
हाँ
ना
कर रहे हैं ना, स्मोकिंग कर रहे हैं,
जी.
शीशा ले रहे हैं, या
जी.
कहीं कहीं को अनफॉर्चुनेटली ड्रग पे भी है.
कुछ। जी.
This is the high time and right time. I would like to pass on the message. The best time would have been if you had not started.
Right.
But the second best time is quit it today.
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 Yeah.
I used to smoke. I used to smoke. I would like to tell my people, my audience, those who are watching me, and my style became very popular. Some of the regional stars in our country, they followed me, my styles. People used to follow me. I would throw the cigarette, flick the cigarette, it will
Yes.
come into my mouth. Many films I did. But then I realized it's the biggest killer.
Right.
आपके लिए, आपके परिवार के लिए, आपकी सोसाइटी के लिए, आपके कंट्री के लिए,
Yes.
आपके इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस के लिए,
बिल्कुल।
पैसिव स्मोकर जो नहीं ले रहे उनके लिए,
जी,
बच्चों के लिए,
बच्चों के लिए, जी।
तो ये बड़ा खतरनाक है।
जी।
और इसलिए हमने कहा कि बात छोड़ भी दिया, and I do some anti-tobacco campaign,
Wow.
and today through you and through great land of Kuwait, I would like to appeal to my people, say no to drugs and
Thank you.
shun tobacco. Absolutely,
Thank you.
forever.
But now, since we are on the note of health, and you've also been Minister of Health, I would like to touch upon the subject of yoga as well. We've had dedicated a whole episode on Second Home India about yoga, and I'd like to find out how has it benefited you?
Oh, very good question indeed. I've been practicing yoga for so many years. Even before our great Baba Ramdev came in the limelight through media, of course. He's a genius. But before that also, I used to definitely minimum 1 hour of yoga I used to do.
Wow.
I've been a great supporter of promoter of yoga. Today also, before I came to meet you, I've done my
Wow.
yoga meditation.
Would you say that's your secret to your
breathing
health
exercise and everything,
your
yeah.
young-looking skin? and-
You made my day now. Thank you very much. But let me tell you one thing. People could be again surprised. Thanks to my yoga I am very cool, calm, composed. I know how to tackle with the best within the best of my capacity and ability to control or combat stress and strain. And you will be very surprised and pleasantly surprised if I tell you that despite all my traveling, stress, strain, public speaking, oratory, and work, my blood pressure, 99% time my blood pressure remains like a 12-year-old child, 120/80.
So impressive.
Even if somebody sees me now, it will be 120/80.
Viewers, have you captured this? Remember? Wow, that's impressive.
And
really.
I
In a
wouldn't be-
world where people are suffering with pressure issues, diabetes, here is an example, a live example right in front of you. Listen to the man himself. So thank you so much.
Thank you,
Some
Amina.
very
Thank you,
good
ma'am.
tips for our audiences here.
Thank you very much. Nice of you. I hope, wish, and pray that they practice
Yes.
in the interest of not only health, their own health, but also interest of their family, and they could be a good role model tomorrow. You see, if I smoke and I tell others not to smoke, ये नहीं चलेगा.
जी, बिल्कुल.
If I smoke, then I can't say that. But if I first have to quit, okay, मैं नहीं पीता हूँ, अब तुम भी मत पियो, अच्छा रहेगा.
जी,
So this is a good thing. Exercise, lifestyle,
right,
avoid red meat as much you can,
right.
as much you can, on your food habits, your walking, yoga, exercise.
You are what you eat, they say. So,
Yeah, yes, yeah. And it has to be controlled, everything under control will of course give you very healthy, wealthy and long life.
wow. Love that. There's this share you had mentioned. That would be very nice for our audience too. Or any other that comes to your mind which you think.
आपने शेर की बात की,
जी.
वो भी again that's meant for the younger generation,
जी.
for tough people, strong people, great people and great Arab people. दाद देती है गर्दिशे दौरा, जिंदगी एहतराम करती है. दाद देती है गर्दिशे दौरा, जिंदगी एहतराम करती है.
बहुत खूब.
इश्क जब मौत से टकराता है, मौत झुककर सलाम करती है.
Wow, mashallah.
Thank
बहुत
you very
खूब,
much.
बहुत खूब. It was such a pleasure talking to you, Shatrughan
Thank you
Sinha.
very much, Amina.
I'm sure our fans out there are waiting for this, and I wish you every success. I loved your attitude towards health, towards education. You are a promoter, and I can see that. And we wish you the very best, and hoping you'll come back to Kuwait very soon.
Thank you. Very soon. Look forward to seeing you and meeting you more often. I've been to Kuwait earlier also. I've enjoyed every trip of mine. People over here are very warm, very hospitable, very loving, caring, and very committed. and I have got great admiration and love for you people, our people over here, and I've been asked to come with a play of mine which has become very popular all over the world, America, England, America, UK, India. It has hundreds of shows. Sometimes when I get some time, I always believe that theatre is the most potent or important personality for any actor.
Wow, yes, because it
So that is why to रियाज के लिए मैंने
जी.
थिएटर के लिए fortunately it turned out to be the biggest hit, पति पत्नी और मैं. But now I don't do ticketed shows. I only do sponsored shows. And the show I've been so fortunate that it has been blessed by and seen fully and blessed by our former Prime Minister, former Prime Minister, our great Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji,
जी.
Dr. Manmohan Singh,
जी.
Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, our present Prime Minister when he was not the Prime Minister, L.K. Advani, Sushma Swaraj, Yashwant Sinha,
अच्छा.
name anybody and everyone, including our own dear Lalu Yadav. Everybody has seen this. Somebody has seen it 4 times, 5 times, 7 times.
Wow.
Anything but Khamosh has been invited to do so many literature festivals like London Lit Festival, Jaipur Lit Festival, Pune Lit Festival, Kolkata Lit
Wow.
Festival. It
Would
is
you call it an honest recollection of your life?
is a biography. It's my very biography, which people find it very interesting, gripping, unstoppable, honest and transparent biography. It is very inspiring and motivating too, especially to the younger generation. Anything but Khamosh. It has come, books over here. Mr. Ashfaq Khan was kind enough that
Would
he
you
invited.
think that book would serve as a guide to being how to be a self-made man? Or
Yes, but people over here, most of them are self-made, but they should also realize this is the only book, anything but Khamosh, biography, where person in 2 diverse fields, 2 different fields, real life and real life. No other book you'll find when somebody has come into the films and after attaining whatever so-called heights and achievements,
बहुत अच्छी बात कही, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे यकीन है बहुत सारी और बातचीत करनी है हमारे viewers. I'm sure they want more, but I know you have very limited time here. So I hate to end this, but I'm hoping we'll see each other soon. Kuwait will see you again, and you will not let your fans.
very soon, इंशाअल्लाह बहुत जल्दी मुलाकात होगी और तब तक वो मीन नहीं कर रहा हूँ लेकिन आपके कहने पे वो कह रहा हूँ जो आपको सुनना पसंद है. खामोश.
तो लीजिए सेकेंड होम इंडिया के इस एपिसोड तक के हम आखिर तक पहुंच चुके हैं. एपिसोड पूरा हुआ है मगर बातचीत नहीं, और मज़ीद सितारे बाकी हैं, अभी बातचीत बाकी है. अगले हफ्ते हम फिर इसी वक्त इसी दिन हाजिर हो जाएंगे. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त. सेकेंड होम इंडिया की टीम की तरफ से बहुत शुक्रिया और शब बख़ैर.